Hey you, you, listen up, mate. I want to talk about you. How you prepare your own singing voice?
By listening one of my classmates singing voice.
By listening to your classmates still on what the hell? Who's singing?
That girl, she's Anika Sama Isabella, my own classmate.
Anika sama Isabella. Nagtrabaho lugod siya. I want with opera singing voice. Can you do it?
No, I don't.
Who's singing?
That's why Zachary O'Claret, also my classmate. She's one of my best friends.
Why the Cano or Claret? Your best friend betrays you to her singing.
No, she doesn't betray me. Also, sakay kami, di ba?
Wow! Ang galing! Bravissimo!
You're Italian?
I'm an Italian and you're Filipino. Can you do it?
Uy, sino nakakanta na. Ayaw naman pang-relax sa akong pagkinig sa imo.
Di iton atuan mo kanta na time to say goodbye. Ang graduation ceremony na kalbayo ko. Punta mo kanta sa kalbayo ko. To sing it in opo. Oh my God! Bravissimo! Ang galing mo! I think they want some therapy for this. Oh, I got a video. What is? Oh, it's JB. Listen.
Hello guys, JB here. So, I don't know how to sing a song for you guys.
Why you're not good at singing, JB? You're such a pedestrian lane.
Well, it's because I'm no good at singing after all.
Why you're not good at singing, huh? Explain why.
Well, sort of because I am not good at tuning my voice again.
Number one, tuning your voice isn't fair enough because you have to do this like every.
After all these years, it's been proven, and I'm not going to sing until the very end.
So you want to give up on singing, huh? What about Sama? Now, what about Liza? What about Sam Malik? What about Maxine, Chriselle, Denise, Jeffrey, Prince, and all of your classmates? They have the singing skills. You have none. So that means you won't be auditioning the singing contest for teens, for kids, for adults, for everybody. You're not joining the America's Got Talent. You're not joining the Filipinas Got Talent Season 8. So you won't be auditioning for the Star Hunt Marathon into the singing contest marathon. So what are you waiting for? Go auditioning now or else failure!